Why you need to spend money to make money. Sometimes it's not about spending less so much as spending better. Spending money to make money isn't about spending hundreds or thousands of dollars. It's about evaluating the circumstances and figuring out the best way to invest in your future. Here are a few ideas where you can spend money to make money. Entrepreneurship. There are over 30 million small businesses in the United States. And while their owners aren't all super rich, they're in charge of their own futures and set their own goals. In 99% of cases, someone had to spend money to make money without any guarantee it would work. The big money comes from starting your own businesses and being your own boss. Education and training. Some form of post-secondary education or training is essential if you want to have some career choices. You've got to spend money to make money when it comes to professional choices or advancement. Looking the part. We do have some degree of control over how we are perceived based on appearance. Maybe it's a jacket, or a tie, or a haircut. Some of those things can help us get ahead in our careers or other financial pursuits. Investing and retirement. A 401k or state retirement plan of any sort is usually better than nothing. You can invest thousands or hundreds or even micro-invest with a few dollars here and there until you get a better feel for how it all works. If you're starting with limited knowledge, read about investments extensively here at Wealthry and across the Goalry family. Our overarching goal is to help you take more effective control of your personal or small business finances so that you can reach your goals in your way based on your choices.